Hey everyone, welcome back to Vedantu 11. Today I'm diving into part 1 of our ncert reading for Cell the Unit of Life. If you're in class 11 and ready to crack this chapter, you're in the right place. So, look around you. What do you see? Living things, non-living things, maybe even your pet or your phone. Ever wondered what makes something alive? The answer is simple. It's all about the cell. Every living organism, from the tiniest bacterium to you and me, is made of cells. Some organisms are made of just a single cell. Those are called unicellular organisms. Think of amoeba or bacteria. What's cool is, even though they're just one cell, they can survive on their own and do all the things needed for life. On the flip side, we humans and most plants and animals are multicellular. That means we're made up of millions, sometimes trillions of cells working together. Now let's rewind to some history. The first person to actually see a cell was Robert Hooke. He used a microscope and saw tiny compartments in a slice of cork, which he called cells. Pretty neat, right? Later, scientists like Schleiden and Schwann observed plant and animal cells and realized that all living things are made of these building blocks. That led to the famous cell theory. First, all living organisms are made of cells and their products. Second, all cells come from pre-existing cells. That's right, cells don't just pop out of nowhere. They divide and make new cells. Let's talk structure. If you look at an onion cell under a microscope, you'll notice a distinct cell wall. That's unique to plants. Animal cells, like your cheek cells, only have an outer membrane called the plasma membrane. Inside the cell, there's a dense membrane-bound structure called the nucleus. That's where the genetic material hangs out. Cells with a true nucleus are called eukaryotic cells, like plants, animals, fungi. Cells without a true nucleus, like bacteria, are prokaryotic. Both cell types have a jelly-like fluid called cytoplasm filling up the cell. It's where most of the action happens. Chemical reactions, energy production, you name it. Eukaryotic cells also have other specialized structures called organelles, like mitochondria, Golgi bodies, and endoplasmic reticulum. Prokaryotic cells don't have these membrane-bound organelles, but they do have ribosomes, which are like tiny protein factories. Fun fact, the smallest cells, like mycoplasma, are only 0.2 to 0.3 micrometers long. And did you know the largest single cell is the ostrich egg? Our own red blood cells are about 7 micrometers in diameter. So to wrap up, cells come in all shapes and sizes, but they're the basic units that make up all life on Earth. In the next part, I'll break down the differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells even more. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more ncert readings. See you in the next one.